Question 10. You write a Python script to connect to Google BigQuery from a Google Compute Engine virtual machine. The script is printing errors that it cannot connect to BigQuery. What should you do to fix the script? A. Install the latest BigQuery API client library for Python. B. Run your script on a new virtual machine with the BigQuery Access scope enabled. C. Create a new service account with BigQuery Access and execute your script with that user. Almost correct. D. Install the BQ component for gcloud with the command gcloud components install BQ. The best option is B. Run your script on a new virtual machine with the BigQuery Access scope enabled. Key considerations. 1. Access scopes for Compute Engine. Compute Engine VMs require appropriate access scopes to use Google Cloud APIs like BigQuery. Without the required scopes, your script will fail to authenticate with BigQuery. 2. BigQuery Access Scope. Ensure the VM has the BigQuery or Cloud Platform Access Scope enabled. The Cloud Platform Scope provides access to all Google Cloud APIs. 3. Service Account Permissions. The VM service account must also have the appropriate IAM role, example roles BigQuery.user, to interact with BigQuery. Analysis of options. A. Install the latest BigQuery API client library for Python. Times installing the library ensures your script can make BigQuery API calls, but it does not address the authentication issue caused by missing access scopes. B. Run your script on a new virtual machine with the BigQuery Access scope enabled. Times correct solution. Times creating a new VM with the correct access scopes ensures the script can connect to BigQuery. Times alternatively, you could add the access scopes to the existing VM using the gcloud CLI or by redeploying the VM with the updated configuration. C. Create a new service account with BigQuery Access and execute your script with that user. Times while creating a new service account might help, this option doesn't address the issue of missing access scopes for the VM. Both IAM permissions and access scopes are required. D. Install the BQ component for gcloud with the command gcloud components install BQ. Times the BQ CLI is for running BigQuery commands from the command line. It doesn't resolve connection issues for a Python script. Recommended steps. 1. Verify the access scopes. Check the VM's access scopes in the Google Cloud Console or by running gcloud compute instances describe instance_name format is equal to JSO. Ensure the BigQuery or Cloud Platform scope is present. 2. Update the VM, if necessary. If access scopes are missing, you can update them by stopping the VM and recreating it with the correct scopes. gcloud compute instances create instance_name \. Scopes is equal to BigQuery. 3. Ensure service account permissions. Confirm the VM's service account has the roles BigQuery.user or a similar role. Correct answer, B. Run your script on a new virtual machine with the BigQuery Access scope enabled. This ensures proper authentication and access to BigQuery, allowing the Python script to function correctly.